दूसरी कराया और गोवा आया तब का मेरा भाई धर्मेश।
Hope you guys are drunk enough to enjoy this performance. Guys, my name is Dalvin Zaveri. I am known as the stand-up artist, the comic guy in my previous organization because I used to perform over there. When I joined Carnia, I wanted people to recognize me as the same one, the person who can perform stand-up hits. Now, of course, the logical way was to maybe write a skit, perform over here so people would know, but nahi. मेहनत है उसमें. Instead, I got 20 people from my previous organization कि बता दो सबको. Initially, I was not going to perform, but then Sudhanshu said that अगर धर्मित तू perform करेगा मैं सीटी बजाऊंगा. Only for that reason Sudhanshu मैं नहीं करने वाला था. but फिर श्रेया ने बोला, आयुषी ने बोला कि धर्मित परफॉर्म कर ले, पॉड को पॉइंट्स मिल जाएंगे. नाउ विजय 5000 की लालच में ऑफ कोर्स द गुज्जू इन मी सेड यस. कर लेंगे भाई, कर लेंगे, सब कर लेंगे. बट आई फील दैट Sudhanshu, guys, give it up for Sudhanshu once. My very dear friend, my informal buddy. He's also known as the Buffalo guy. Because he helped a client procure buffaloes, which were getting slaughtered and were exported for meat. The new joiners, the Gujju Jain Dharmil in the house is like, fuck, क्या करवाने वाले हैं ये हमसे? Don't worry, Dharmil, if this is against your parampara, pratishtha, anushashan, you can say a no. Just to say these 3 words, I wrote this lengthy joke. But KPS is very inclusive. KPS is very respectful about your choices. I'm only saying great things because मुझे आगे विजय पे jokes मारने हैं. But I feel the new joiners are very spoiled, na Vijay? The new joiners are very spoiled because even before joining, they are getting this all expense paid trip to Goa. I had got this all keys not working kind of a laptop. I still remember. Fun fact, guys, if you don't know how much old KPS is, ask me. I was the first one to join. When I joined, my best friends were like Sandeep from IT, Mandar from admin. Mandar, you have still not accepted my Insta request. But then the KPs and the JKs of the world joined, I don't care. फिर तो crowd हो गया. But I was saying that the new joiners are spoiled. They are having their induction at Goa. We remember our induction. Actually, mine was very cool. It was at Lonavala. It's only that Vijay forgot to tell me. So on my first day, Vijay was at Lonavala. I was in Ghatkopar. But guys, give it up for Vijay, the sponsor of the event. Many partners you would meet at Carni, but as humble as Vijay, guys. Would you guys agree? He's the most humble partner you will meet at Carni. I'll tell you a story to reinforce the same. A couple of months ago, Kshitij went to Vijay. I have this awesome idea. For the first KPS offsite, we should go to my farmhouse. I have this mango plantation, 40 guys, we would pluck mangoes. मजा आ जाएगा Vijay. Vijay, being the humble guy, did not reply. 3 months later, he replied saying, Kshitij, क्षितिज यार, अभी मैंगो का सीजन चला गया. गोवा कर लेते ये के बाद तेरे फार्म हाउस में नेक्स्ट ईयर पक्का. Guys, give it up for Vijay, also one of the most sweetest person you would meet at Carney. Everyone would say so, except you guys. Except you guys, and actually, only one guy would contradict this. Is Nishad. Nishad during his earlier days said that while my interviews are getting taken, I felt that Vijay is very intimidating. But then he worked with Ashish Yadav for 5 months and now... But then he worked for 5 months with Ashish Yadav and now he calls Vijay a cutie pie. Vijay is a cutie pie. I was having this discussion with Abhinav. Where's Abhinav? Abhinav today. I asked him like, Abhinav, out of all the designations at Carney, which one do you feel are like the busiest? They are not just able to give us time. Abhinav today be like, So who's the most busiest designation we have at Carney? Guys, for this offside, we invited one partner, 2 principals and us. The partner is here, we are here, where are the principals? This is not an awkward moment actually, this is just a pause because यहाँ पे मैंने दीपांकर के लिए jokes लिखे थे, वो तो किसको सुन? Well, but moving ahead, guys, give it up for Kshitij, the powerhouse of the event, the sexy man. Well, Kshitij belongs to the Filmstone family, the old guys. If Kshitij is the past, Aastha is the present, and Chinmay is the future. Once the past, present, and future went into a bar, it became tense. It was not funny and it was not intended to be, but this is the only short joke I knew. Guys, but I feel good. I feel good that I am performing at Goa. I feel positive. Not the kind of positive I was a couple of days ago. Not so positive, guys. I feel energized. I feel good because this room is filled of talented people. And I would apologize that I joined a day late. And the real reason was this, the offside core team was calling me daily that Dharmit, you have to perform jokes on leadership. Now I worked with Ashish and I did know that he was yet to sign off on my EP. But then Ashish also knew that I was going to crack jokes on him, so he did not turn up. And just for that reason, here I am, came back performing. But guys, this is such a great audience. Everyone are so talented. It almost feels like Dipankar and Vijay after every round of interview are like hobby क्या talent क्या है? क्या traveling, reading, magician हो गया? अरे आओ ना, आओ ना. We are talented, but I will tell you who is the most talented, guys. It's caution, it's KP, guys. It's KP. He is the hands down best negotiator we have on the floor, Vijay. Best negotiator. And also fun fact, you know, right? KP stands for KP Study Apna. He is the best negotiator because he is a 30-day-old boy. But then he told his wife that तू इसका ध्यान रख. मैं मेरे दोस्त के साथ दारू पीऊंगा. You are the real warrior. You are the real warrior, KP. बाकी सब नाम के. That's my time, guys. Hope you enjoyed.
Guys, come on, give it up for Dharmit, my man!